ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ನಮ್ದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಲಲಿತಾ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Hare Krishna everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you who have joined from all around the world for this ICC Bangalore Karuna Children's Camp during this difficult Corona time. As you all know, Karuna means mercy, and Lord Krishna's mercy has brought all of us together. So we have lots of fun-filled activities lined up for you. We have stories, craft, puzzles, quiz, bhajan and much more for you today. Okay, so we are going to begin with a prayer. For those who know, you can chant with us. For those who don't know, no problem. Just listen, okay? Namo Vishnupadaya Krishnapreshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Well then, children, and now let us first begin by learning a shloka from Prema Vinodini Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, children. So welcome to the first session of Karuna Children's Camp. So we will be starting with this shloka. This is a shloka which has the whole meaning of Ramayana in it. So just by reciting this shloka, it's like knowing the whole pastime of Ramayana. Would you like to chant this mantra? Okay. So let us start with the mantra. Hold your hands and repeat after me. I'll be teaching you two words. You can just repeat after me. Okay? Adau Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Vaidehi Haranam Jatayu Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lanka Puri Dahanam Paschadravana Kumbhakarna Hananam Etadhi Ramayanam. Okay, now I'll teach you four words. Please repeat after me. Adau Rama Tapovanaadigamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Vaidehi Haranam Jatayumaranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lanka Puri Dahanam Paschadravana Kumbhakarna Nidhanam Etadhi Ramayanam. So we'll repeat this again. Adau Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Vaidehi Haranam Jatayu Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lanka Puri Dahanam Paschadravana Kumbhakarna Nidhanam Etadhi Ramayanam. Okay, so the wonderful meaning of this shloka goes here. So once Rama went to forest. So he chased the deer. And then Sita was kidnapped. Vaidehi Haranam. That means Sita was kidnapped. Jatayu Maranam. That means what happened? The Jatayu bird was killed because it went into for the rescue of Sita. There were talks with Sugriva. Then Vali Nigrahanam means Vali was killed. The sea was crossed, Samudra Taranam. Lanka Puri Dahanam, that means Lanka was burned. And later, Ravana and Kumbhakarna were also killed. Paschad Ravana Kumbhakarna Hananam. Etadhi Ramayanam. So this is in short the story of Ramayana. Did you like it? Okay, so if you chant just these two shlokas, then you will be telling the whole gist of Ramayana. So try to recite this shloka throughout this week until we meet in the next Saturday. Then we will chant together again. Okay? Thank you. Now we will welcome Her Grace Nadia Nandini Mataji for the next session. So you will be going to hearing to a wonderful story.
No.
Let's welcome Her Grace Nadia Nandini Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prema Vinodini Mataji, thank you so much for this wonderful shloka that you have taught us. Before Nadia Nandini Mataji comes, we are going to do a round of puzzles. Children, are you ready for puzzles? Yes, show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up if you are ready for puzzles. Very good. Okay, so let us see what is our first puzzle today. I hope all of you are able to see the screen and able to hear my voice properly. If you have any difficulty, you can type a message, okay? And as you see the puzzles, you can reply your answers on the chat box, okay? Now, as you can see the first puzzle, who is hidden in there? Come on, children. In this picture, there is one personality who is hidden. Look into the bushes and find out who is hidden. Type your answers in the chat box. Come on, quickly. Type your answers in the chat box. Who is hidden in the bushes? Let me see. Okay, I'm starting to get your answers. Adya Bansal, you are right. Advait, you are right. Neelambari, yeah, you will have to search a little more. Yes, Akshobhya, you are right. Yes, Shri Radha, perfect. Yes, wonderful to all those who were able to find out that great personality. Yes, Jyotsna Devi Chawla, it is Lord Ram. Yes, now let's go to our next puzzle. Okay, so which word is written incorrectly in a dictionary? Children, which word is written incorrectly in a dictionary? Come on. Let me see your answers on the chat box. Advait, perfect. You hit the bullseye. Very good, Advait. Gopal, good. Yes. Very good. Jayantika, Ambika Rao, good. Nitai, perfect. It is the word, let's see the answer. The word incorrectly, children. That's the word that's written incorrectly in the dictionary. Okay, are you all ready for the next puzzle? Show me a thumbs up. Come on, are you ready for the next puzzle? Very good. Okay, let's see the next one. Now you have to put your thinking caps on and listen to this carefully. If a watch is a mobile is called a laptop. A laptop is called television. Then which gadget is used to make a voice call, children? The watch is called a mobile. The mobile is called a laptop. The laptop is called television. Then which gadget is used to make a voice call? Akshobhya Gupta. Very good. I got the answer from you. Nitai. Very good. Yes, Akshaj Bhatnagar. Perfect. Adya Bansal. Perfect. Yes, you are right. Nitai Nateshwar Das. Yes, Gopal. Tulsi, you have to think a little more. Riyansh, you'll have to think a little more. Come on. Yes. Chirayu Deshmukh, you are right. Vishal Sharma, yes. Vishal Sharma is also perfect, yes. Let's see the correct answer. Are you ready? Yes, it is the laptop, children, because the mobile is called a laptop. So in this case, the laptop will be used to make phone calls. Okay, let's see the next puzzle. In this picture in front of you, how many faces are there, children? Can you guess the number of faces that you can see in this picture? Start counting. Start counting. No. I have not got a correct answer yet. Look properly. Yes, Neelambari. Good job. Chirayu Deshmukh. Good. Vedika. Nice. Okay. Charan Pai. Correct. Akshobhya Gupta. Perfect. Anshuman. Very good. Yes. Lalita. Very good. Lalita Sakhi. Shri Radha. Perfect. Okay. The answer is 5 faces. Look, children. Can you see? The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth, and the fifth. Excellent to all those who guessed the 5 faces. Let's see the next one. Are you all ready? What can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? Children, what is it? Vishal Sharma, good. What can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? Look at the words carefully. Very good, Nitai. Advait, Chirayu Deshmukh, good. Tulsi, good. Anshuman, good. Yes, come on, everybody type your answers. Ambika Rao, good. Gopal, yes. Who else? Come on. Yes, Revati Nanduri, you are right. Let's see the answer. The answer is the letter M, children. Look, you can see it once in a minute. In the word minute, it comes once. Twice in a moment, M-O-M. 2 times you see the letter M. And in 1,000 years in the spelling, you can't see the letter M. So the answer is letter M. Very good. Thumbs up to all those who've got the right answer. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one looks difficult. Move only one matchstick. Okay, now you need to move only one matchstick and you need to make this equation correct. And you have to type the correct equation in the chat box. Only one of the matchsticks can be moved, not more than one. And you need to make this equation correct. 6 plus 4 is not 4. No. Come on, think. Very good. Nadia Lakshmi has got it. Advait has got it. Gauransh B has got it. Adya has got it. Very good. Vishal Sharma, Rama and Radha has got it. You have to write the complete equation in the chat box. Okay. Only then I can see your answers well. Yes, Lalita Sakhi has got it. Yes, Akshobhya Gupta. There's 2 ways of solving this. So you can get any one of the 4 ways. Of the 2 ways, I mean. Sorry. Yes, Shri Airani has got it. Revati Nanduri has got it. Yes. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, so the answer to this is you need to make the flat line from the first one into a 0. So it becomes 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, and the other way of doing is by removing the matchstick from the first number and making it 5 and putting that matchstick on the answer and making the answer 9. So it becomes 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Very good to all those who have got the correct answer. Let's move on to our next puzzle. Yeah? Okay. I'm not alive, but I have 5 fingers. How is that possible? I am not alive, but I have 5 fingers. What am I? Okay, Gopal has got the answer. Who else? Nitai, very good. Vedika. Akshaj Bhatnagar, yes, very good. I am not alive, but I have 5 fingers. What am I? Yes, Nadia Lakshmi. Uh-uh. Who else? Riyansh, very good. You've got the answer. Come on, everybody type your answers. Everybody. Not a hand. It's not a fork. No. Not the senses. No. Okay, so for all those who've got the right answer, very good. Yes, Jayantika, you are right. The right answer is a glove, children. A glove has 5 fingers, but it's not alive. Very good to those who got the right answer. And others can try the next one. Okay. Are you ready for the next one, children? Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, children, give me a moment. Okay. Yes. Can you see my screen, children? No. Not yet? Okay. Yes. Now, there is a picture in front of you. Do you see the puzzle picture now? Yeah? Okay. Can you all guess who is this personality? Who is this personality over here? So many bits of puzzles. Look at his hand. Look at his leg. Let's see if you can guess. Gomti, very good. Adya Bansal, very good. Yes, yes, you all are correct. Oh my God, so many answers shooting right at me. Kruti, Lokya, very good. Surabhi, Nitai, yes. Chirayu Deshmukh, Revati, yes. Everybody, you all are right. Let us quickly solve this for you. So you can take a look. Yes, children, it is Lord Buddha. Okay, so hope you all had a nice time with the puzzles. And remember to join again next week. Now we are having a lot of other activities. The next is a wonderful story by Nadia Nandini Mataji. Okay, children? So over to Nadia Nandini Mataji. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, children. I'm very happy to be with all of you here. And you all gave wonderful answers in the puzzle conducted by Shama Manjari Mataji. So great. And now it is story time. I request Shama Manjari Mataji to start the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you, Mataji. Today we are going to visit a wonderful epitome of disciples, that is none other than Ekalavya, is the greatest disciple of Guru Drona. Next slide, please. So all of you know about Guru Drona, Dronacharya. Dronacharya is none other than the Amsha of, means power of Devaguru Brihaspati. So Brihaspati came in the form of Dronacharya how many years back? 5,000 years back during Dwapara Yuga, and he was the guru, the archery guru for whom? Guess, children? Yes, Pandavas and Kauravas. So, previous slide, Mataji. Ekalavya is a very short boy, but he was born in the Nishada tribe. He wanted to learn from Guru Drona the expert skills of archery. But when he went to Guru Drona, he was rejected, and I'll tell you the reason why he was rejected later. So he came back and he was thinking about Guru Drona, and he was learning archery by himself. So this Dronacharya is a great archer and a great teacher for Kauravas and Pandavas. So let me repeat, the Guru of Kauravas and Pandavas is Guru Dronacharya. Pandavas, the son of Pandu, and Kauravas were sons of Dhritarashtra. Next slide, please. Dronacharya, his favorite disciple was Arjuna. So he saw all his disciples like Pandavas and Kauravas. Among them, Arjuna is the first one to learn everything, whatever Guru Drona teaches immediately. So he taught Arjuna so many skills. By listening to the sound, he used to shoot the arrows. By looking at single points, he used to concentrate and he used to shoot the arrow. You can see in this picture, Guru Drona asked Arjuna to shoot the arrow to the eye of the toy bird. It was fixed on the tree. Next slide. So Guru Drona once, he took all his disciples to the forest and he was practicing archery. Okay, so all were learning with utter concentration. Then they saw one surprise. Next slide, Mataji. So they saw a dog running in the forest and its mouth was locked with the arrows. It was not able to bark, but it was not injured. Even a single wound he had. He didn't have single wound also. And Dronacharya and Arjuna and all the other Kauravas and Pandavas, they saw the dog. Who was this expert archer who shot the arrow in dog's mouth? Yes, Anshuman, you are right. It is Ekalavya. Okay, so he shot the arrows in the dog's mouth so that it couldn't bark. He is none other than Ekalavya. And Guru Drona was surprised. I taught this Shabdavedi Vidya, that is, by listening to the sound and shooting the arrow to only Arjuna. But who is this other person? Even Arjuna got doubt. He was looking at Guru Drona because Guru Drona promised Arjuna, you are my favorite student. I will make you the best archer in whole universe. But now Arjuna got confused. What is this? There is one more archer who is better than me. Children, please don't think Arjuna was jealous or doubtful about his guru. He was surprised. He wanted to know the answer. So they went in the direction from where the dog came. So when they went there, they were surprised to see this boy who belonged to the Nishada tribe, and he had a beautiful deity of Guru Drona. Okay, he was practicing archery in front of that. So Guru Drona didn't understand what is this. Then Ekalavya saw Guru Drona with other royal princes. So he just bowed down to Guru Drona and introduced himself. Guru, Guruji, Gurudev, you don't remember me. I came to learn archery from you, but you rejected. But still, I wanted to learn the skills from your blessings. That's why I made you a deity and daily worshipping your deity and with faith. I learned the archery only by your blessings. See, children, even though he learned with his concentration like what Guru Drona taught other Pandavas and Kauravas. He observed that and he learned, but he gave all the credit to Guru. So without Guru's blessings, we can't excel in our life. Now Guru Drona was thinking, yes, I rejected him. Now, good that he learned. Is a very sincere student. Still, I promise one point to Arjuna that he will become the best archer, and there is another competitor for Arjuna. And Guru Drona thought, I will teach him archery skill because I vowed to teach only the two Varnas, Brahmanas and Kshatriyas, because they are aimed to protect whole country and public and the kingdom, everything. But there is no fault in this boy. But because he belongs to Nishada tribe, you know, who is Ekalavya's father? Hiranya Dhanura. He was the chief army commander for the demon Jarasandha. Yes, Jarasandha, chief army commander. And the Nishada tribe people used to hunt and kill the animals using their archery skills or whatever skills they had. And also, you know, children, they used to rob the people and kill the people who are passing through from one village to another village through the forest. Those days, there were not like, you know, highways now we have. So they used to walk through the forest. So Guru Drona, as a teacher, he thought, if I teach Ekalavya, what will be the consequence of his education? So always teacher thinks good for the students. So he wants a good outcome from the student. Now Guru Drona thought, if I allow Ekalavya to continue like that, future it may happen that he may join Jarasandha's army and create havoc or disturbance in the society. So I cannot deny this boy's Guru Bhakti, but I need to solve this problem here. Like this, Dronacharya thought, and he asked, you know, when you go to school, you have to pay fees. Before, previous days, they used to ask Guru Dakshina at the end of their education. Guru Drona appreciated Ekalavya. He patted on his back. Very well done, my student, my dear Ekalavya. Where is your Guru Dakshina? What did you give to me? So Ekalavya thought, Gurudev, whatever you want, even my life, I am ready to give. Children, this is the real attitude of a student. So when he asked like that, when he told like that, Guru Drona told him, what is he doing? His right hand thumb, he's cutting and giving to Guru Drona. Guru Drona asked his right hand thumb, do you know why? Right hand thumb is the power for shooting the arrows. Without thinking here anything, no second thought for Ekalavya. He cut his right hand thumb and he gifted to Guru Drona as a Guru Dakshina. Guru Drona, he gave him like, you know, you will get very good fortune in heavenly planets further in future. Your life will be very blissful. Guru Drona blessed Ekalavya like this. Arjuna was not jealous about Ekalavya. He also appreciated. We had to see children, Ekalavya's humbleness and faithfulness to his guru and no competitiveness about Arjuna. Nowadays, children, the parents push to the school, hey, you have to become first in the class, come first in the class, you have to compete. No, children, we have to learn for the sake of learning and getting knowledge, not for competing with others. That attitude is the good for the student. And we should have faith in Guru. We should not tease the Guru. Ekalavya could have teased. See, Arjuna is your best favorite student. That's why you don't want me to become greater than him. So you asked me, my son. He would have fought with his Guru, but he didn't do that because he had lots of faith in Guru. Whatever Guru says, that is for my good, for the good for others. And devotion to Guru. Whatever Guru says, he's ready to do. He didn't add any competitive mind. He compete with others, with jealous, or during running race, some children they hit others who is going front, and they make them fall down and they run front. That was not the attitude of Ekalavya. He had only sincere desire to learn. I want to learn the archery, that Shabdavedi Vidya and shooting the arrows. Everything he was perfect just by having faith and devotion to the Guru. And he was ready to give his life also. He gave his tongue. That is the self-sacrifice. For Guru, one should be ready to do any kind of service. And he had lots of respect, deep respect for his Guru. And all these things could happen because he was very pure in his heart, children. All children, you are all so pure in your heart. So you are all so fortunate to participate here. So I want everyone to take the model of Ekalavya to become a good student and follow these steps. Now we have quiz time. Raise your hand. How many of you would like to participate in quiz? Very good. Now the first question goes like this. Which tribe did Ekalavya belong to? Which tribe did Ekalavya belong to? I want the answer now in the chat box. Yes. Riyansh correct, Advait correct, Laukya very good. Hansika, you have to try a little more. Remember what I told? Anshuman, correct answer. Any more children would like to answer? Anshuman, correct answer. You had a good try, gave a good try. Akshobhya, very good. Vedika, correct answer. Nitai, correct answer. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. The answer is Ekalavya belonged to Nishada tribe. Very good, children. Big applause for all of you. Next question goes like this. Who was Dronacharya? Who was Dronacharya? I am expecting the answers in the chat box. Come on, children. I'm eagerly waiting for your answer. Yes, Riyan, Advait, correct answer. Hansika, you have to give a try. Yes, that is also correct. Mainly, whose teacher was Dronacharya? Sri Airani, correct. Gauraj, not only one person, for many he was Guru. Akshobhya, correct answer. Laukya, correct answer. Hansika, correct answer. Why they wow, so many are giving the answers. Tulsi, correct answer. Vaidehi, correct answer. Parth, correct answer. Adya Bansal, right answer. Akshobhya, correct answer. Yes, as all of you have told, Guru Dronacharya was the guru of teacher of Pandavas and Kauravas. Next question. Who was the favorite disciple of Dronacharya? For the last question, Anshuman told me correct answer. He told Dronacharya's Brihaspati Amsha. Wow, all of you have given correct answer. Very good. Tulsi, Laukya, Nitai, Anshuman, Hansini, Sri Airani, Adya, Laukya. Laukya, you have to try? Yes. Little more you have to try, Laukya. Yes, Riyansh, you are right. Akshobhya, you are right. Nita, you are right. Natesh, you are right. Jyotsna Devi Chawla, correct answer. Yes, Hansika, correct answer. Rama and Radha, correct answer. Wow, so many children are participating to give the answer. Yes, children. Arjuna was Dronacharya's favorite disciple. Next question. Who shot the arrows in the mouth of the dog and which Vidya did he use to shoot the arrows? Yes, I want the answers in the chat box. Yes, correct. Hansika, correct. Josna, Nitai, Laukya. Okay, everyone is giving only one answer. Priyansh, Shri Irani, Gauransh, Nitai, Nadia Lakshmi. Yes. Nitai Nateshwar gave correct answer for which Vidya he used. Very good, Nitai Nateshwar. Anshuman. Yes, there is a word for that, for the answers they are given. Okay. I told that in the beginning and middle of the story. So, Riyansh, you have to give a little more try. Nitai, correct answer. Yes, Akshobhya, you have to give little more try. Riyansh also. Let me give 15 seconds time. Yes, yes, you have to move on to the next question. The correct answer is Ekalavya shot the arrow in the mouth of the dog and he used the vidya that was called Shabda Vedi. By listening to the sound, he shot the arrow. Next question, Mataji. Hare Krishna. What Gurudakshina was asked by Guru Dronacharya from Ekalavya? Yes. Now answers started pouring like rain. Okay. Yes, Advait, you are right. Amshuman, right. Okay, you have to mention correct answer. Okay, Akshobhya, Parth, right. Bhavya, right. Okay, Hansika, very good. Riyansh, right answer. Subhadra, right answer. Nitai, very good. Shri Irani, very good. Laukya, very good. Rama and Radha, yes, what piece he gave? Rama and Radha. Okay. Gauraj, correct answer, but you have to specify. Correct answer. You are right, half right. Okay. So correct answer is he gave Guru Dakshina as his right hand thumb. Very good. Now you have to name the qualities of Ekalavya shortly. Each one of you gave one quality. One quality. I gave you 6 answers at the end of the story. The qualities of Ekalavya. So I need at least one answer from each. Yes, Anshuman, very good. Bhavya, very good. Subhadra, good. Partha, right answer. Riyansh, right answer. Rama and Radha, very good. Advait, very good. Nice answers are coming out. Tulsi, very good. Nitai, Nateshwar, very good. Rama and Radha, Nadia Lakshmi, very good. Wow, these qualities you are having, children. Laukya, Jayantika, very good. Akshobhya Gupta, very good. Sri Airani, very good. Riyansh, very good. Yes, children, you are all right. I think you are all following this towards your Guru. Very good, Gauransh. So, children, I am so happy. Now, the qualities of Ekalavya are devotion in Guru, faith in Guru, self-sacrifice. Then he had respect towards Guru. He was not competitive. No one answered this. He was not competitive in his mind. He had sincere desire to learn. Self-sacrifice he had and deep respect and no contamination in his heart. Very good, children. All of you answered almost all the answers. Very big applause and big Hari Bol to all of you. Children, there are many more exciting activities further. Okay, so wait with full of interest and suspense also. Okay, Over to Shama Manjari Mataji. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to talk through these little Vaikuntha kids. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, children. We will welcome Lalita Mataji now for the craft section. Are you ready with your color papers, Fevicol, scissors, everything? Okay, then. Small children who cannot cut the paper and all, please, I request the parents to help the children in cutting the color papers. We'll be guiding you step by step how to do the craft. Okay? Okay.
Hare Krishna kids. Today we prepare this one.
So we will be going to do this craft today. For that, you need the yellow craft paper.
Green color, orange color, yellow color. Then Fevicol, pencil, one stick, normal stick, ₹1 coin, scissor, one bangle. Next paper. See everyone's bangle.
Is everyone ready? Can you show a thumbs up if everyone is ready? Or you want, okay. Gauransh, Chirayu, Vanita. Yeah.
Make a circle with bangle.
So you will be folding this yellow sheet in the center. And now placing the bangle over this.
And draw a circle. See? We cut this.
Draw a circle on the folded yellow sheet with the help of a bangle and then cut it. So we have two circles. So everyone got two circles with you now? Two yellow circles? Okay, so now that is for the base of the flower, these two circles.
Now again we fold like this.
Now fold the remaining sheet again into half. So now you have four
layers.
flaps.
We make circle with coin. This is for flower petals. We need 12 petals. Make a circles with ₹1 coin. See like this.
So drop the
Now we
1
cut.
rupee coin. Now start cutting along these circles. Is everyone able to follow? Cut along the circles. We are making this for the petals of the flower.
Three king. Three.
So since we had 4 folds, we got 4 circles now. Is everyone able to do this? Kriti? Okay. If anyone has any doubt, you can just raise your hand. Okay, now we have 12 circles totally from this yellow sheet.
Now I'm preparing orange one.
Now you take the orange sheet, color sheet, place the 1 rupee coin.
Make circle. We need orange petals, 6 petals.
So again, you will be drawing circle and cutting the circles. Are you able to cut? Sri Radha? Show me the petals. Very good. Okay, so now the orange circles are also ready. Can we go to the next step? Is everyone ready with the yellow and orange circles?
Show
Please.
thumbs up.
Please show me the circles. Okay, Akshobhya. Very good. Chirayu. Sri Radha.
Now we preparing petals. See,
Okay, Yaksha.
we put end of the circle
Gauransh.
cervical like this. See everyone. Okay. This is petal shape. Again we do petals.
Now take the circle, yellow circle, put a little glue over the border of the circle and pinch it. press near those tips to make a petal like this. Okay, now please do the same thing for all the circles. For the yellow ones and the orange ones. Okay. So for each circle, you will be putting a little glue in the border and then pinching it and just allow it to dry so that it will get into that shape.
It will not stick. Do press it again.
Okay. So you are able to make these petals, children? Yes. Laukya?
Which one video? This one video.
Yeah. So prepare these petals. Has anyone done this craft before? So you're liking to do this? Wonderful flowers? Oh, Milan. You've done this before? Haribol. Okay. So we will be showing today how to do a single flower. You can display this in your room or you can just keep it on the table. It looks beautiful. Now prepare the orange petals. So parents can help small children who are not able to do themselves. So a nice exercise for your fingers and 6 orange petals and 12 yellow petals.
If not stick, you press again.
Okay. Okay, now the petals are ready. You take this base. Okay. Okay, now take the yellow base, the bigger one,
And
and put Fevicol on the 4 corners of the circle. That is like east, west, north, and south. Okay. So now you will be sticking the yellow petal on those 4 corners of the circle. So you have to place the 4 petals on the 4 points where you had put the glue. Now again, in the in between the 2 petals, put Fevicol.
like
And start putting the other yellow petals. Just press a little, it will stick. Okay. Now the border of the circle is fully filled with the yellow petals. Is everyone able to follow? Okay, so this is ready.
we start.
Now you take the orange petals put little Fevicol to the base and stick it in the inner circle. So this is a craft of so many circles. So Sri Radha, are you able to do? Charan, Gauransh, Surabhi. Are you able to follow? Hari Bol, Gauranga. So this is the flower. Okay. Now we will be doing the stem of the flower, stalk. For this, you have to take the green paper.
You take one stick. You put here.
Take an agarbatti stick and start rolling the stick along with the green paper. Okay. So this is how you roll it.
Then you put gum. You paste it.
Now slowly remove the stick. Okay. So now the stalk of the flower is ready. Now take the dark colored paper, the base. Take the
Dish with this
flower.
flower. Place gum here. Back side.
And place it over the black paper.
And stem. How much you need to check, and you cut the remaining.
So cut the length of the stalk according to the size of your base paper. Put little Fevicol to the base of the stalk and stick it firmly at the end of one flower.
For green leaves, we cut again green color paper with 1 rupee coin. Make a circle.
Now this is for the leaves. With the remaining green paper, draw a circle again with 1 rupee coin and cut it. Now, similar to the flower petals, just put little Fevicol at the base of the circle and pinch it. Now do the same thing to another circle. So this will be the 2 leaves. You can stick it to the stalk . Now take the paper cup .
We cut half of the cup.
Cut the cup into 2 halves. Now take 1 half of the cup and put the
We apply
glue
glue.
along the borders. Are you able to do? Akshobhya, Gaurang?
We paste key at the bottom.
Now paste this at the bottom of the stalk.
Keep it. Next flower, we prepare and
Okay, children, you can make another flower like this and stick it. You have 6 days. So you can do your craft, take a photo and put it in the WhatsApp. Allow this to dry, so then it will not come out. Did you like it? Has anyone done this?
any flower, at least flower.
If anyone has completed, please show a thumbs up so that we can focus the video. Yeah, Chirayu, Surabhi, please show your flower. Surabhi. Hari Bol. Yeah. And one more. B8F. Please write the children's name in the ID so that we can call out their names. Yaksha, very good.
Ambika Rao. Nice. Very nice.
Dhruv. Yeah. Okay, thanks a lot. Whoever has participated. Now We thank Lalita Mataji for showing us this wonderful craft. We'll move on to the next session. Is Radharaman Prabhu ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Mataji. Can you hear me?
Hare Krishna, Shama Manjari Mataji.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
Okay.
now we are going to have a Kirtan session. Our Radharaman Prabhu will be teaching the bhajan for us. So everyone is ready? Show a thumbs up. Hari Bol. Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Everyone, keep your craft aside now. Keep your craft aside. Kannada or English? Keep your craft aside. Craft side, lady. Okay, we are going to do Kirtan now. Okay, now I'm going to start with first Prabhupada mantra. Who knows Prabhupada mantra? Whoever says they know, they're going to sing with me. Who knows? Who knows? Very good. Who's going to sing with me? Who can sing with me? One of you. Laukya. Okay, Laukya will sing. Okay, Laukya will be unmuted now. Can you, Laukya, say Hare Krishna?
Hare Krishna.
Very good. Namah. So when I sing, all of you should sing. I'll sing. Okay, all of you should be singing, even though you are muted. Okay, so you should move your mouth so we can see you singing. I'll sing one time, so you hear carefully. Then you sing with Laukya. You sing after I sing. Okay, one line. Okay. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate. Okay, sing that now, Laukya. Nama
Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristaya Bhutale.
Okay, wait. Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Tinamine Srimate. Sing, Laukya.
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine.
Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine. Sing, Laukya. Namaste.
Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine.
Nirvishe. So I just want to make one correction. It is Namaste Saraswate. Okay, not Saraswati. So shall we do that again? Namaste Saraswate. Namaste Saraswate Deve. Gaurav.
Namavani Pracharine.
Everyone sing. Okay, then Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Sing, Laukya. Nirvishesha.
Sunyavadi Paschatya Tatarine.
Very good. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Sing it up there.
Jai Shri
Everyone,
Krishna
everyone sing.
Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
So we're going to start with this song called Jaya Jaya Jagannath. Okay, and then we'll go to Hare Krishna from there. Okay, Jaya Jaya Jagannath Sachiranandan. Okay, so Laukya, you can get muted. Anyone knows this song? Anyone know, who all know this song? Raise your hands. Jaya Jaya Jagannath Sachiranandan. Who knows this song? Raise your hands, raise your hands. Nitai, you know? Nitai, you raise your hand? No, it's down. Who knows the song? Jai Jai Jagannath. Revati Nanduri, that screen. Okay, you'll sing with me? Okay, can you unmute that Revati Nanduri? Can you
It is not muting.
Okay, now you're
Now
unmuted.
it's muted.
Now what is your name?
Dhruva.
Dhruva. Okay, very nice. Dhruva.
I know only little.
You know only little. Oh, it's okay. We all okay. So we'll sing one line. I'll sing one line. Then you sing one line. Okay. Now first, who is the author of the song? Who wrote this song? Do you know?
No.
His name is Vasudev Ghosh. Say Vasudeva Ghosh.
Okay.
Say Vasudeva.
Vasudeva Ghosh.
Vasudeva Ghosh. Okay. So for one line I will sing. One line you all sing. Okay. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachiranandan. Sing.
Jai Jai Jagannath Sachidananda.
Tribhuvane kore jar charana vandan.
Tribhuvane kore jar charana vanda.
Everyone should sing. Bhakti Priya, you should sing. After singing, you can eat. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachirananda.
Jai Jai Jagannath Sachidananda.
Tribhuvana kore jar charana vandana.
Tribhuvana kore jar charana vanda.
Why is a Subhadra raised hand? Nilachale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmada.
Nilacharya Shankha Chakra Pada Gadmadhar.
Gada Padmadhar.
Gada Padmadhar.
Again. Nilachale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhar. Nadiya Nagare Danda Kamandalukhar. Everyone.
Nadiyare Charana Mandalukar.
Nadiya Nagare Danda.
Nadiya Kamane Danda.
Nadiya Nagare.
Nadiya Nagare
Danda. Kamandalukar.
Kamandalukar.
Okay, this line again. Nadiya.
Vasudeva Ghosh Gore Kora.
Wait. Don't go ahead. One line I will sing, one line you have to sing. I told you, right? Ke ho bole purabe Ravan bhadila.
Ke ho bole purave Ravan bharila.
Golokera Vaibhav Leela Prakash Korila.
Golokera Vaibhav Leela Prakash Korila.
Jai Jai. Everyone clap now. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachirananda.
Tribhuvane kore jar charana vanda.
Again, whole thing. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachirananda.
Tribhuvane kore jar charana vanda.
Okay, now. Shri Radha Bhave Vikhora Avatar.
Shri Radha.
Shri Radhar Bhave Be.
Shri Radha Radhe
Goravata. Okay, maybe we'll try someone else now. Okay, some others to now. Nita, you can go mute. Dhruva, you can mute. Someone else who would like to sing. Who's this? Where is this? Who's this? Anshuman. Anshuman. Did I unmute you? Okay, can you hear? Can you speak Hare Krishna? Okay, maybe one more person. Okay, there's one more. Anyone else? Subhadra, you want to think? Okay, Subhadra, 2 people have unmuted. Okay, Subhadra. Hey, someone say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, okay, ready? Okay, Shri Ramas, this verse, okay? Shri Radhar Bhave Begora Bata.
Shri Radha Bhave Begora Avatar.
Hare Krishna Nam Gaura Korila Prachar.
Hare Krishna Nam Gaura Korilu Prachar.
Vasudeva Ghosh Bhole Kore Joda.
Vasudeva Ghosh Bole Kori Jodo.
Jai Gaur se Krishna se Jagannath.
Jai Gaur se Krishna se Jagannath.
Okay, everyone together, clap your hands. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachidanandan Tribhuvane Koreja Charana Vandan. Bolo bolo. Jai
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 Jagannath
Sachidanandan Tribhuvane Koreja Charana Vandan. Again. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachidanandan Tribhuvane Koreja Charana Vandan. Jai
Jai
Jai.
Jagannath Sachidananda. Tribhuvana Koreja Charana.
And then after that, that pictures behind it.
Okay, one Hare Krishna mantra. Sorry. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Okay, one. All of you sing. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, is that time? Hare Hare Hare. Lalita Sakhi sing. Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Akshobhya. Okay, where is Akshobhya? Hare Krishna will get Akshobhya. Fast. Sing Akshobhya.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Sing Akshobhya fast. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Now, one time, all of you are unmuted. One last time, all of you sing together. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Very good, very good. Thank you. We will continue this next week, okay? You all have to try to learn this song this week. Next week, I will ask everyone if you have learned this song, okay?
Hare Krishna. So a big thank you to everyone. Thank you to the ICC Temple Management and Sharanya ICC for allowing us to conduct this camp. Hope you all had a great time. Join us again next Saturday. Till then, may Lord Krishna's Karuna be upon all of us. See you all next Saturday, 4 p.m. Hare Krishna. We're going to unmute you all. You all can say Hare Krishna and leave. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Now,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna children can lead, guys.
5:35. Okay, so just
ఇద్దరికి వంట ఇట్లా పెట్టిండు కాఫీతో చదువు కాలే ఇద్దరు జామున్ ఎత్తుకుందకు హాల్లో పెట్టుకొని తినండి పొడ ఇద్దరు శ్రీరామ్ చెప్పు చూడు శ్రీరామ్ Haribol, Subhadra, Shama, Hare Krishna, Aisho,
Hare Krishna.
congratulations, superb camp. I felt I want to be a small kid myself. It's so nice. Started raining now. See, Krishna is very happy. Haribol, where are you all?
It's only by your mercy that this can happen.
Raining very hard. 1 minute.
Wait, Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you so much.